Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Pingvin Share on Dockge. So, a little bit about this series and going over home labs or installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So, if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So, let's get back to your registered programming. So about Pingvin Share, it's a self-hosted file sharing platform that combines lightness and beauty, perfect for seamless and efficient file sharing. So the features are share files using a link, unlimited file size, set expiration date for shares, secure shares with visitor limits and passwords, email recipients, integration with Clam AV for security scans. And this is what it looks like. It has a nice UI. So that's what we'll be installing today. So I'm going to start on Big Bear Video Assets. There will be a link down in the YouTube description to get to this. I'm going to scroll down to how to install Pingvin Share on Dockge right here. And then I'm going to go to Docker Compose. So version 3.8 of Docker Compose is being used. I'm going to set some services, and the service underneath the service is called Pingvin Share. And then the image is coming off Docker Hub because there's no URL before this. And this is the Docker image, and then this is the Docker image tag. So 0203, that's the latest version currently right now. And then restart unless stopped. So if you stop it for no reason, it will not try to restart. But if it fails or any other reason, then it will try to restart. And then I'm going to set ports. So 3000 on the host side and then 3000 on the container side. And if the host port does collide with another port on your host, then you can change this to like 3001 or etc. So volumes. So Pingvin Share data. This is on the host side, and this is a Docker volume, a local, and you know that because it's the local driver down here. And then opt app backend data is on the container side, and then same thing on the host side is Pingvin Share images. This is a local volume, and then opt app front end a public image. This is on the container side. So the left is on the host side, the right is on the container side. Same with ports. So, and then I'm going to set some volumes down here. So Pingvin Share data, and it's the driver local, and same thing with Pingvin Share images. So I'm going to go over here to copy raw file. I'm going to click it. Then I'm going to go over to my Dockge and get this installed. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now I'm on my Dockge. I'm going to go ahead and go to Compose, and then I'm going to give it a stack name. So Pingvin Share stack. Okay, now if you go over here to the editor, you can paste in your Docker Compose, and then you'll see it right here to where you can edit it to, but it auto populates from here, so that's nice. So I'm going to go ahead and deploy it now, and then it's deploying, and it's downloading the Docker image off of the registry, getting it extracted, and getting it up with Docker Compose. So we got Pingvin Share up and running, and you can see it in the logs. Starting your Dockge, you'll see a status up here of active, and then exited, and then inactive. So I'm going to go into a Pingvin Share stack now. And then you can edit, restart, update, stop, and stop and down, and then delete. You can also go and edit, and then you can go edit, and you can edit the Docker container. So you can add network, environment variables, container dependencies. You can change the volumes, ports, and image. You can save and then deploy or discard, and you can delete too. So I'm going to go back to the stack. So you can restart. So that'll restart the container and the stack, I mean. And it might take a little bit to restart. Okay, now it's started and it's restarted. So you can update the current tag that it's on, and then you can stop and down. So now you can also go in the UI from here. You can also go to the bash, and you can go into the container normally, but some containers are not supported. You can switch to sh here, so you can use sh instead of bash. So then you'll see your logs down here of what it's doing, and then you can see your compose over here. So that's a little bit about the stack options. So now I'm going to go in the UI and show you that it works. So you're going to go into your stack, and then you're going to go to 3000 right here. So you'll see that a little starting page, and then you can get started. You can create your first account. So I'll put in an email and password, and then you're going to put a password in. Let's get started. Now you can customize the configuration, explore Pingvin Share. So you can customize, you can change the app name, you can change the app URL, and I would recommend doing that. So I'm going to put my IP for my Dockge in, and then you're going to show you can show your homepage. You can turn it on or off. The logo you can upload. You can set an email up. You can change these. You can also set sharing up with different options. You can set an SMTP server up, like a MailPit or something like that. And then you can set up social logins. You can also set up a real SMTP server too. So I'm going to go backwards. So you can upload files right here, and you can set up you can set up reverse shares. So you can go create, then you can create a URL, and then you have a link right here. So now you saw that on the link that this is localhost. So I probably didn't save it when I was doing it. So no, it reverted back. So I'm going to put my IP address in again, and then I'm going to press save. And now we should be to where we can create another reverse share. So you can go create. You can change some of these options like expiration, a max share size, and max uses. And then now your IP is in there. So that's a little bit about Pingvin Share. So I just went over step by step on getting Pingvin Share working on Dockge. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need community support, you can go down to the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.